Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. What does hemoglobin in red blood cells carry? Right answer is option B, oxygen. Which state has the largest Bhil tribal population in India? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? Right answer is option B, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha in independent India? Right answer is option B, G.V. Mavalankar. In which state is the Jagannath Puri temple located? Right answer is option A, Odisha. What is hydroponics? Right answer is option C, plants grown without soil. Where is the Sundarban Delta primarily located? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which fundamental right is regarded as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. From which country's constitution was the concept of the rule of law borrowed into the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, United Kingdom. Where do you find the temple of Angkor Wat? Right answer is option C, Cambodia. Who discovered the polio vaccine? Right answer is option C, Jonas Salk. Which state is the largest producer of jute in India? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which neighboring country of India was earlier known as East Pakistan? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the rights of citizenship for persons of Indian origin residing outside India? Right answer is option C, Article 8. The caves and rock cut temples at Ellora represent which faiths? Right answer is option D, all of the above, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Which gas is primarily used in fire extinguishers? Right answer is option D, carbon dioxide. Which city in Madhya Pradesh is well known for its pesticide industry? Right answer is option C, Bhopal. Where is the headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization located? Right answer is option C, Rome, Italy. In which year was the Constitution of India amended for the very first time? Right answer is option C, 1951. Who built the famous Vaikunta Perumal temple at Kanchipuram? Right answer is option B, Nandi Varman II. Where in the body is the pineal gland located? Right answer is option B, brain. What is the oldest and most widespread industry in India? Correct answer is option C, textile industry. Which country shares the majority of India's western border? Right answer is option D, Pakistan. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for what duration of time? Right answer is option C, 6 years. The Lingaraja temple is located in. Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar. Which of the following acids does not contain oxygen? Right answer is option B, hydrochloric acid. When was the state of Jammu and Kashmir officially reorganized? Right answer is option D, 31st October 2019. Madhav National Park, India's 58th tiger reserve, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. The President of India can nominate how many members to the Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option B, 12 members. The temple built in 1100 AD, dominating other temples in Bhubaneswar is? Right answer is option C, Tribhuvaneshwara Lingaraja Temple. Acid rain is caused by which of the following pollutants? Right answer is option D, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Which Indian state is the leading producer of gypsum? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. The Radcliffe Line demarcates India from which country? Right answer is option D, Pakistan. Which constitutional amendment removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Right answer is option B, 44th Amendment. The Sri Ramanatha Swami temple is located in? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Bauxite is the main ore of which metal? Right answer is option A, aluminium. What is the highest dam in India? Right answer is option B, Tehri Dam. Who was popularly called the Frontier Gandhi? Right answer is option B, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. What is the official term for the members of the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C, 5 years. Where is the Kashi Vishwanath temple located? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. Which element is commonly used in the production of solar cells? Right answer is option A, silicon. Which Indian state is considered the spice garden of India? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country has both tigers and lions in the wild? Correct answer is option C, India. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution deals specifically with the right to education? Correct answer is option B, 86th Amendment. In which state is the Brihadeshwarar temple located? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. In which medium does light travel at its highest speed? Correct answer is option D, vacuum. Which is the richest Indian state in terms of mineral resources? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. Indian Standard Time Meridian does not pass through which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. In which year was the state of Uttaranchal officially renamed as Uttarakhand? Right answer is option C, 2007. Who began the Vesara style of temple architecture? Right answer is option C, Chalukya dynasty. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.